Dear students, you are welcome in the Education Department at SHAHD Association. Our lesson today is Science News. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more lessons and don't forget to activate the bell to stay notified. Tips are to talk about fossils and their formation, to use the dictionary to find the meanings of the thematic words. Now look at the pictures. What are they? What might be the lesson about? What do we mean by fossil? Fossil is the hard remains of prehistoric animals or plants that are found inside the rock. What do we mean by decay? When something such as a dead body, plant, or a tooth decay, it is gradually destroyed by a natural process. The ground was scattered with decaying leaves. Decompose. When things such as dead plants or animals decompose, they change chemically and begin to decay. A dead body found decomposing in a wood. Preserve. If you preserve something, you take action to save it or protect it from damage or decay. We need to preserve the forest. What do we mean by embedded? If an object embeds itself in a substance or thing, it becomes fixed there firmly and deeply. What do we mean by impression? An impression of an object is a mark or outline that it has left after being pressed hard onto a surface. The world's oldest fossil impressions of plant life. What do we mean by sap? Sap is the watery liquid in plants and trees. Bury. To bury something means to put it into a hole in the ground and cover it up with earth. What do we mean by condition? A condition is something which must happen or be done in order for something else to be possible. Die. When people, animals, and plants die, they stop living. What do we mean by slow? Slow is used to form words which describe something that happens slowly. Quick. Someone or something that is quick moves or does things with great speed. Volcano. A volcano is a mountain from which hot melted rock, gas, steam, and ash from inside the earth sometimes burst. Erupt. When a volcano erupts, it throws out a lot of hot melted rock called lava, as well as ash and steam. What do we mean by cover? If you cover something, you place something else over it in order to protect it, hide it, or close it. Keep what's left in a covered container in the fridge. Seep. If something such as liquid or gas seeps somewhere, it flows slowly and in small amounts into a place where it should not go. The gas is seeping out of the rocks. Mud. Mud is a sticky mixture of earth and water. Crack. A crack is a very narrow gap between two parts of a thing. Bone. Your bones are the hard parts inside your body, which together form your skeleton. So fossils are the remains or marks of plants and animals that lived a very long time ago. They are usually found in rock and stone. Fossils are important because they tell us a story about things that lived on the earth before us. Do you know? There are 3 ways a plant or an animal would become a fossil. Now let's talk about how do fossils form. Fossils are formed by the layers of sedimentary rocks. Look at this picture. When a plant or animal dies, it usually decays. Sometimes the conditions are exactly right and a fossil forms. It happens very slowly and takes millions of years. The first way a plant or animal would become a fossil is when the animal died, it decayed, and its body was covered in sediments. Over millions of years, the sediment hardened to become fossil. Minerals filled pores in bones and replaced the bones. Now let's talk about the second way. When the plant or animal died, they buried in sediments that became hard. It decomposed very slowly, and only an impression, like a mold, is left of its original shape. Now the last way. Here is a spider in amber. A tree grew by the water edge. The sap oozed from trees, fell into the water, and was buried in mud. In time, the mud became hard. A spider was embedded in the sap. Thanks for watching. If you liked this lesson, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more, and don't forget to click the bell to get all the updates.